Good day, everybody. This is Swan with BlackBox Stocks. Hope you're having a great day so far. We are so excited to announce and release the latest update to the platform. If you have signed in the last few days, you've noticed that there's been a change over here on the right-hand side of your screen. This is really just phase one of many awesome changes coming to the system, and we appreciate your patience as we work through this, and the end result is going to be absolutely amazing. So we are so excited, but here's a little breakdown of what has changed for you. The first thing that we want to point out is up here you no longer see the account tab. It used to be education, support, and account. And then on the account there would be a drop down with some options. You could go to my settings, things like that. Now to get to that, you go over here to the icon that is to the far right. If you have a picture in your profile, it'll show there, or it may just show your initials. Click there, and then that creates the drop down screen that used to be under account. So then you can go to profile if you want to change your picture. You can go to settings to make sure you have the settings enabled for like TradeStation or to see the rapid decline alerts. That's going to be under, again, just go over, hover over your profile picture or your initial if you haven't added one, and then just go to settings, profile. You can look at your subscription status, things like that is all found there. Okay, that's one of the other changes. Another change is the new trade button. I don't think that was there before. Basically, when you click on that, this box takes you to the TradeStation login. So you would just click there on the simulated login, and then that'll take you over to TradeStation's website where you sign in, then you come back and you're ready to go. Just as a side note, you don't have to click here to get to that screen. You can also click on this little guy here, this double arrow that says go to trading, and it will take you to that same spot. Now, the biggest change is over here on the chat side. These buttons down here did not change. Okay, your alert stream, scanners, news, chat did not change. That all stayed the same. Nothing changed on options flow screen. Nothing changed on the NASD NYSE screen. The only thing that changed is over here when you first log in. Now you see multiple rooms instead of just seeing the main chat that was there before. So what this is going to enable us to do is people will be able to choose which room they want to go in, similar to Discord. So we have BlackBox Start. That's going to be for new members, those that are just learning the system, maybe those that are just learning options trading. You'll want to start here. That's why it says start here. We'll have moderators in there. When you click on it, it takes you to the chat room, and if they are broadcasting, you'll see you are automatically joined into the audio portion of that room, and the speaker is on, which means you are now listening, even though they're currently not broadcasting. If they're broadcasting, this little guy will be flashing red. Okay? So that's where we're going to encourage all new members or those that are struggling, maybe just in trading in general, struggling, come over there and we'll have moderators helping you out. Main chat is exactly what it used to be, main chat. What's nice about this is you will automatically be piped into the Discord voice of the main BBS trade room. So BBS voice that used to, that's over there on Discord. When you come over here to main chat, that audio will be piped into here. Down the road, Discord will go away and we'll do our own broadcasting directly from the BlackBox platform. But for right now, we will just be piping in the audio from Discord. So, but this is again just what main chat used to be. And eventually it will also replace BBS Trade Room on Discord. But currently you can get the voice here and you can type in questions and moderators will be here to help you out. Those that go to Roadhouse, same thing. When you click on Roadhouse, you will then be able to be piped into the audio of the Roadhouse automatically. You'll be listening to the audio from the Roadhouse voice channel in Discord. And again, this is a secondary chat room currently because you'll still have the one in Discord as well. Team trades, this is nice. This is just going to show you all of the team trades that are made. So if we put out a trade, our buys, our sells, they will be posted in here automatically. And then flow plays now has its own little room too, which is awesome. To be able to go in and see all of the flow plays that get pushed out to the app. So that's going to be very nice to have in one consolidated place. BlackBox videos, when you click on that, you'll eventually see, there's some few things posted in here, you'll eventually see how-to videos A lot of them that I've been doing over the last year or so will be posted in here. So a great research area. If you're looking, how do I do this? Just check out BlackBox videos and we'll get those uploaded in the next few days. Homework channel, that is what it is. We all know Teresa posts the homework in Discord. This is just going to be a location for it here on the BlackBox website. So you can go in here and find all the homework that is posted. Previous classes that have been recorded are all going to be found in there as well. And then the bulletin board, that's going to be, a lot of times we'll push out notifications. And you guys will see that pop-up that comes up. You'll still get that pop-up, but then there also will be a continuous feed here of bulletin boards. I think all of you can see this. I'm not sure. It may just be moderators, but I think you can all see that button and see the history of bulletin boards as we push them out. All right. Live channels. So this gives you guys the opportunity to go live. So if you want to go live with your screen or with your chart and have your own little chat room going, you can do that. Click on live channels, hit go live, and it'll say there are currently no channels broadcasting. And then if you go live, it'll give you the opportunity then to share, not your screen, but it'll let you share a chart that you're looking at. You'll have your own opportunity to turn on your voice channel so you can speak to people, and then they can type in messages as well. So that's by going to live channels and hitting go live. All right. Very good. Trending will just give you things that are being talked about. The system is going to keep track of either stocks or hashtags, even members that are actively posting. So that's what you're going to see on the trending side. So again, nothing major changed. Initially, it's the look. One thing you'll just notice, if you're used to being on Discord, continue to do that until we make some further changes. But just know when you come over here now, you can go into the Roadhouse and listen to the Roadhouse voice, which you could not do before through the BlackBox website. And when you go to main chat, you'll be tied into the main BBS voice over on Discord as well. If you're new or struggling, please start out here in BlackBox Start. That's where we're going to help you guys out. You'll get the most attention, and we'll have moderators there to help you. All right. As I mentioned earlier, we are so excited this is taking place. It's been a long road coming, and this is just phase one of many future updates to continue to make BlackBox stocks easier for everybody and a better tool for everyone in the community. Again, thank you so much. And remember, with BlackBox stocks, no one trades alone.